Leslie and walk at the same time.
I'm going to be here so you can show me how you use your front legs, Mace. Come on, let's go. Come on. There you go. So this is Mace. Mace is end-stage DM. For the last couple of months he hasn't been able to use his cart. He's been getting swimming though twice a week and acupuncture. And we're trying him out here in our quad cart and seeing what he can do. And he's pretty happy to be standing up and pacing with his front legs here. It's really good to see.
Ready? Let's go.
Good job, puppy. Good job, Mace. Yay. Good boy.
Tired. Come on. Get that
So
other
his
one.
dad's getting him a quad cart, and that will serve him for as long as he is here.
Yay!
Yay! Yay! Yay! Look at you!
Yay!
You're rocking. High stepping.
Good job.
High stepping.
Good
Good
job.
boy.
Come on. Definitely the speed is what you gotta.
You gotta find the right
Yay.
pace. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta find the right speed for him.
Faster is better.
Yep. Because then the neurologic ability, it can stay together. The closer that nerve can stay firing, the faster it fires, the more response he's going to get.
Awesome.
Let's go this way. Come on. This way. Come. 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 Yay! Go. Go, go. Here you go, Dad.
All right.
Walking, huh?